Yeah, for the people who don't know or want to know how I feel, just listen. Yeah, yeah, uh, I wanna, I just wanna, yeah, I just wanna go so far away, or maybe I just sit and stay on those tracks, wait for the train, never come back, take away the pain. Who should I talk to? Where should I go? This didn't even that taunts me. It talks to me. Pick up that cocaine, take away the pain. Doing this shit just little touch. It's not gonna be so much. You'll feel better working at that stove. Yeah, every time at times I feel so little, so small, like a bug on the wall. I just gotta know, I gotta keep pushing, gotta keep dreaming for that one day. Maybe I'll get that break. I'll just jump out on that train and go so far, never look back. Nigga, doing this shit, y'all know whack. Gotta do my best, gotta forget about the rest. I need this shit in my fist. Damn, this nigga crazy, doing this shit, nigga bang. What the fuck, come with me, you nigga gonna see. Yeah, ain't gonna rap no fast, doing this shit that I'm gonna last. What the hell am I gonna last? Doing this shit, am I gonna flop, hit, flop, don't pop. What the hell, fuck the cops, fuck the law, fuck you saw. Doing this shit now getting caught. Yeah, come on bitch, what the hell you gotta say, man? You thinking I'm on drugs? No, I gotta say. Nobody wants to listen. That's the shit in my pain. In my brain, gotta take the weight of all the same. Yeah, maybe I'll go insane. Kill every body on my list, on my fist. What the hell? Fuck that bitch. Don't want you with your crackheaded ass. Doing this shit, y'all gon' blast. What the hell that I get that blast? That I put that gun up in my head, in my mouth, and the tape to pull that trigger. Don't know what I got to say, y'all gotta play. I told you I love you. Doing this shit, y'all gotta do. What the hell you gonna do? Doing this shit all for you. I'm gonna make that fucking dough. I'm gonna make that fucking flow. What the hell y'all niggas know? Doing this shit now, keep on know. What the hell you say I know? You don't care no more to get that flow. Doing that carry kids to soul. Maybe when I get that big and make that dough and on that trap. Doing this shit y'all niggas gonna back. What the hell maybe one day I'll get a react from no latch act. Get a feature from Dex. What you said? Take my sec, came to the back now. Don't let it care that I plunged on the sack. Now see them trains try to come in the left and the right. Now doing this shit and my spite. Stand there, arms out, look what about. Make my body explode. Don't know what you know. Gotta see my world through my eyes. Tell me what you gonna die. Maybe one day I'll die peacefully and in my head. Take my heart out. Do this shit of what you about. You gonna see me on that fucking news. Then you see, you gonna see this crack is Steve.